Lightman.
Oh.
Ha? Wala yung Lightman natin. Tagay daw.
Ma'am Isaac, pwede yung palit kayo. Diyan mag-stand ka na tapos daan sir. Okay po. Tapos tarong ka dito mga isa. Yan, thank you po. Wala, maaga mag-uwi yun. Maaga mag-uwi.
Entering the underground river.
Okay, so anyway, everyone, personally I would like to welcome you here in Puerto Princesa Underground River. Just enjoy the tour today and enjoy the nature inside.